Mechanical isolation. Today's example, we will be talking about mechanical isolation in bush babies. So the reproductive area. It is prezygotic, and there are physical differences that prevents mating. It is sympatric speciation. There is speciation between populations and habitats, and it cannot be interbred.
Here are the habitats and behaviors of the Senegal bush baby, or the Galago senegalensis, and the Mohole bush baby, or the Galago moholi. First off, Senegal bush babies live in the sub-Saharan Africa, whereas the Mohole bush babies live in South Africa. This is because Senegal bush babies prefer dry forest, bushes, and savanna regions, and the Mohole bush babies prefer to live in a semi-arid climate. Both species, however, are arboreal, sociable, and nocturnal. They also use nonverbal communication and body language to communicate. This is also known as tactile communication and is very important between mothers and their offspring and mates. Both are also polygynous, meaning that a male can compete and has access to many females and their territories.
So bush babies are isolated through mechanical means because their reproductive structures differ between species, meaning that each bush baby species has its own unique genital shape. What this means is that the male genital of one species is only able to fit into the genital of the female of its own species. It's kind of like a set of lock and key, where the key can only fit into a specific lock and not into other locks because it doesn't fit. This prevents interspecies mating, which results in infertile offspring which are not able to reproduce, which is, bad. And here's an example of their isolation between bush babies. Let's say that this square is the Senegal bush baby male, and this triangle is the Mohole bush baby female. If the Senegal bush baby male decides to have some fun with this Mohole bush baby female, it doesn't work because their parts don't fit. The Senegal's square peg doesn't fit into the Mohole bush baby's triangle opening or hole. And here's some pictures of Mohole bush babies and Senegal bush babies, again, as points of references as I discuss the similarities and differences between bush babies. So, bush babies in general have bat-like ears, they're quadrupedal, their tails are longer than their bodies, and they look like they come out of an anime because their eyes are very large, as you can see in this Senegal bush baby. And specifically, in these two species of bush babies, the Senegal male weighs more than the female, and the Mohole bush baby's female is heavier than the male. And that's basically it.